हेलो एवरीबॉडी एंड वेलकम टू ओडिया ब्लॉग्स। आज मैं डिस्कस कर रही हूँ ICSE MCQ बुक्स एंड सैम्पल पेपर्स। दिस इज अ रिव्यू दैट आई एम गोइंग टू गिव mainly for standard 9 and 10 students of ICSE board for the subject English. Okay, and this is ICSE MCQs chapter wise question bank for class 10, and this is ICSE sample question papers English 1 class 10, and this is ICSE MCQ chapter wise question bank class 10 English 1. So these books are really very good, and I would say that if I'm going to make a review on this, you will know better. So today I welcome all the students as well to this session, and thank you all for being here with me. These books, you can go for these books because already I am using these books, and these are very good for the students. I've taken a review from them. This book, English 1 book, this is MCQs. Here you will have MCQ pattern of questions as you are now facing in your classes, in your classrooms. Okay, now this book ICSE MCQs chapter wise question bank class 10 English paper 2 literature. Now this book is very useful because the content over here, that is Shakespeare Merchant of Venice Act 3 only. So as per portion, this one, I know why the cage bird sings and the patriot from poem section, and the little match girl and the bluebird from the collection of short stories. So you're going to have MCQ as you are facing in the classroom. So similar to that, if you want, I'll read a question here, and they've given many solved also, many solved answers they have given, and what is the answer they have given and why that is the answer they have explained also. For example, take a question here. It was roses, roses all the way, with myrtle mixed in my path like mad. The house roof seemed to heave and sway, the church spires flamed, such flags they had. So with this extract, they are having a question. For example, the speaker is describing dash, okay, and options are given here, 4 options. The scene of his welcome the previous year, an outbreak of rioting in his town, a time when people lost their minds and attacked, rose and myrtle bushes, the collapse of houses under the weight of the crowds. So this is how the MCQ question pattern is, and you are solving something like this in the classrooms as well. So I feel this is a very important book for you all now, because it is as per your portion for your coming exams. And here you can see this is how you will mark it, the right answers. Okay, darken the circle for each question. Okay, and then they have solved it and given the answer on the other page, and then they have given an explanation also why that answer is right. So it's a very good book, and you can go for it, I will say. Okay, 9 and 10 students, you can go for it. It will always be helpful for you all. And this book, English 1, similarly this book also, you have for example, the planet was seen dash the telescope. Okay, fill in the blanks. And then outside, through, before. These are the options given, and you have to choose the correct option. So this is the same way as you write answers in your classrooms, MCQ type. And on the other page, they've given the answers, they've solved it for you, and they've given an explanation also why that answer is right. Okay, so very good book, I will say. And mind mapping description is also here. So you can go for this book. It's a fine book. Oswald's, these are all Oswald's Learning Made Simple, Oswald's books. Okay, ICSE MCQs, chapter wise question bank, class 10, English 1 language. Okay, and this book is also, this is not MCQ, but it is also very good. ICSE sample question papers, class 10, English 1. Here you will find exercises. Okay, though answers are not given, but a lot of practice papers are there. Okay, self-assessment papers are there, exactly in the 80 mark pattern as you would face in the examinations. Okay, and since a lot of practice paper you will get here, the whole book, if you practice, then lot many questions you will be familiar with. English 1 grammar type, and everything is there. 80 mark question paper you will find here, and many sample question papers are there. Some are solved also for you, and some are there for you to be done. Okay, and they've written here with latest specimen paper. So I feel this is also a very useful book. Okay, so you can go for all these 3 books. If I make a review, I will give 10 out of 10 for these 3 books, because I don't find anything wrong with these books. Okay, lovely books. 9 and 10 students, you can all go for these books. So please bring these books and prepare for your coming exams. So that's all for today. See you and bye-bye.